I've lost over 200 pounds and here's everything I ate today while at the beach. I started off my morning with a chocolate peanut butter pumpkin caramel protein coffee with a gorgeous view. Nothing beats a view like this when you're having your breakfast. It just makes everything taste better, I think. I had a low-carb breakfast burrito that consisted of a low-carb tortilla, egg, bacon bits, and cheese. It was pretty good. I usually dip my breakfast burritos in ketchup, but this avocado ranch was just really good today. And then I had it with some salsa verde that we had from Taco Bell. It was left over, and I really liked that. It was really tasty. And we had some steak that we had got from a restaurant down here left over that we cooked up, and it was just okay. I had a little piece of that, and then I had some yummy grapes to get my fruit in, and then we went to the beach, and I had myself some protein chips to hit those protein goals instead of stacking on something that's just full of carbs and not going to help you meet your goals. I had just a few of these. I didn't eat the whole bag because I saved some for later because when I came in, I was hungry. So I had half of a turkey sandwich. I fixed that up with some mayo, tomato, onion, lettuce, cheese, and obviously turkey. And then I had some of those leftover protein chips. And guys, when you eat a Sammy, I just feel like it's necessary to put your chips on your Sammy. You just need a little crunch. So that's what I did. And it kicked it up about 2 or 3 notches. But we were going to have dinner a little later, and I just need a little something to hold me over. So I just went for half a sandwich today. And this was our view at dinner. We went to Margaritaville at the Harbor Walk Village in Destin. Is that not just so beautiful? I got a closer up view for you guys. But it was at sunset. We went on a dolphin cruise and then came here to eat. And it was just so beautiful. And I didn't do my bestest tonight, okay? I got myself a garlic aioli cheeseburger. Here's what it looked like. It doesn't look like much, but I have to be honest, it tasted pretty good. I cut it in half. I only ate half of a half because I know someone's like, oh my gosh, you're just going to gain all this weight back. Listen, I ate half of a cheeseburger. It's about food freedom, okay? And then my mom had some fish and chips. She wanted some of my burger, so I gave her what of my burger that I didn't eat. And then I had a piece of her fish that she had. Actually, I only ate half of that little piece of fish. And this is a jalapeno tartar sauce. I had never heard of that. It wasn't bad, but I don't know what it is about fish, but it's just not been that good to me lately. I don't know. My taster's off or something. So I just had half of that, and I just had a few French fries. And then it was time for a sweet treat. I love a sweet treat at nighttime before I go to bed. I get these bars from Thrive Market. That was a coconut chocolate chip one. And then this is a sea salt caramel one. And the other one's like a sea salt caramel one too. But I went with the coconut chocolate chip one. It's my favorite. And that was all I had today. I will see you guys next time.